While in Las Vegas, it's a good idea to go outside of Vegas and take a look at the Seven Magic Mountains. An absolute oddity of the desert. Definitely not nature-made, but also in danger of being moved completely to the Reno area because their lease is set to expire in 2026, I believe. Man, get a load of that mountain over there. Oh, baby, that thing is huge. Thinking I'm liking the coloration of this one the best. But these three, and this is only three, also look okay. I kind of wonder how well these would handle if someone tried to climb them. But they're pretty darn cool looking in the stark desert for sure.
Opened in May of 2016, the Seven Magic Mountains are presented by the Art Production Fund and Nevada Museum of Art, and were created by artist Ugo Rondinone. Between abstract compositions and geological formations, the Seven Magic Mountains were created using locally sourced limestone boulders stacked vertically in groups of 3 to 6. Every stone has been painted a different fluorescent color, and each totem stands between 30 to 35 feet in height. Rondinone's interest in natural phenomena and their reformation through art is extended by this work. The exhibit was inspired by naturally occurring hoodoos and balancing rock formations, also evoking the art of rock balancing for meditative purposes. The works look to be poised in a state between monumentality and collapse, perhaps defying gravity in their teetering positions, but at the same time depending on it to stay grounded. This location, which is a short distance from the Gene-Dry Lake where Michael Heiser and Jenna Tinkwilly created sculptures, Seven Magic Mountains is one of the largest land-based art installations in the country, completed in almost half a century. The work pays homage to the history of land art while also offering a critique of the simulacra in the nearby city of Las Vegas. Perhaps the most thrilling part of this adventure were the signs warning of venomous snakes in the area. I looked around but could not find any to demonstrate the power of their spicy kisses. Intrigued? Make a short drive down South Las Vegas Boulevard and see the Seven Magic Mountains for yourself before they're hauled away.